Hello everyone. I wanted to show you what my balcony looks like in the summer, late summer, so it's like late August now. It's been extremely hot in the last couple of days. So I just wanted to want to show you, yes, how beautiful my balcony is at this stage. And what I really noticed in the last couple of weeks is that I don't have a lot of flowers, blooming plants in the summer. I think most of my blooms interest is actually occurring in spring, late spring, early summer. But now in August, I don't have that many flowers. But still, it's possible to have quite an exciting balcony through foliage interest and berry interest and maybe even vegetable interest. And I'm going to show you what this is going to look like. So not a traditional blooming tour, but a tour of the beautiful foliage on my balcony. So actually there are a few plants that bloom at the moment. These fuchsias, for example. That's the shade side of my balcony. They're quite beautiful. I mean, like this, like purple, pink blooms. It's very nice. And here as well. And otherwise, one of my clematis is going a little bit wild, but I'm not too unhappy about it. So it gives this side a lot of interest just through pure climbing foliage. No blooms yet. Then, so maybe I can show you what the seeds of my lupins look like. So when you just let the lupin blooms, when you leave them alone, they will form some seeds. So you can just take them. And then if you open them, you can see the seeds. So those are the lupin seeds. I'll just put them back into the pot. Maybe new lupins will form. I hope so. So then my euphorbia started to bloom surprisingly again. So not all over the place, but a few of them, and a little bit smaller, so that's quite cute. But now what I really wanted to show you is my foliage interest. If you stay there, you can maybe see these pops of color with really striking foliage. So I would go stay maybe there. For example, this purple heuchera, really nice when you have the green in the background. So I really like this pop of purple. The same here. So if you go down, like you can see this pop of purple and then green, and I think it's really nice to have like these foliage accents on your balcony. My astilbe is blooming for a second time. It's not completely there yet, but this just grew in the last month, so I'm excited for it to bloom again. And then my tomato plant, like you can even have accents through these red tomatoes. I mean, they're quite beautiful. You have them back here as well. Maybe I will just take one and eat. Delicious. What's also really exciting are my coleus at the moment, especially the coleus over there. It has grown so beautifully. So I basically just bought these two small plants from Morrison's, and they grew extremely well. So we have these lime green coleus, beautiful big leaves, nearly as big as my hand. And then these very exciting ones with like pink accents, pink white accents. And I think this might even be the bloom of the coleus. So usually, I mean, they're mostly interesting for their foliage, but yeah, now we'll even get some blooms. The lavender is doing well as well. So like this light purple. And the honeybees like them. Oh, and they smell beautifully. Yes, so that's very nice. And another heuchera. As you can see, I have a lot of heucheras. And I really love this striking pop. And that's a black pearl heuchera. And maybe finally, on this balcony is some more coleus. So this is more like really dark red, like lighter red here, and then it gets darker and has like this green trim on the side. And then the same green, lime green coleus as on the other side. Okay, let's go to the smaller balcony because I have some exciting things to show you there as well. Come outside, I will show you the beautiful, beautiful berries of the Calicarpa. I've been waiting for these berries for the last couple of months. I think I bought it last year in autumn, and finally they're here. So those are these purple Calicarpa berries. So again, not really bloom interest, but yeah, beautiful purple berries, and I'm very excited that they're finally turning blue. So they're a little bit green at the beginning, and then they turn this color. And I think this goes quite well with the osteospermum that I planted here. That's doing quite well. And that's only one osteospermum. It has grown quite a lot. So really one plant is enough for this pot. Then this Pirius Flaming Silver also looks nice. It also has these red foliage accents, which are very beautiful. And some tomato interest. So I trained them along the railing here. This orange, red, and green pops. Yeah, I hope you like this video. It kind of shows you that even if you don't have too much bloom interest, flower interests in your balcony, you can have a wonderful balcony just with beautiful foliage and berries and tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.